Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Begin by opening Play Store on both. Then get free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, launch it. Following that, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge located at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow in the pop-ups. When you see this kind of pop-up, you can tap on OK right away. Or firstly select Not Now and then click OK. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of XIAOMI. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on XIAOMI, using all of those categories at the top, you can pick multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. After selecting all of them, in my case 15, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, use the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you want to input this key, click on Input Key section below Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And to connect, hit Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!